line for free in 2018. All right, so, or any year, it doesn't even matter. This is Amazon affiliate program, you guys. If you don't know anything about it, you can go to Google, type in Amazon affiliate. Okay, once you do that, it will bring you to the website that I was just on. So you can just type in Amazon affiliate, boom, okay, and the first website usually that comes up is right here. Okay, you click that, it'll bring you to a page where you go ahead and sign up. I'm already signed in, but you would go ahead and sign up, make you a free account, and then the power in this is whenever you send somebody a link, whatever they buy through Amazon, you will be getting paid for it. Okay, now what happens is, let's say someone wants to buy something. So I'll give you guys an example because it just happened to me the other day. This is my first time doing it, so I'm making a video. I told you when I make any kind of profit with anything, I'm showing you guys to let you know it works, okay? So I made $5 the other day. Somebody bought 2 items for about like 100 or a couple, but whatever amount he paid for it, okay? He was looking for a green screen, right? And so since I knew, where to get a good green screen at, told him Amazon. And he was like, okay, if you find out, which one it is, send me a link to it so I can go ahead and order it. And I said, okay. So the first thing I thought about was Amazon affiliate. So I hurry up and made me an affiliate account. I was like, if he orders this, I can get paid for it. So I've never done this before, but I've always heard of it. So I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot, see if it works. He ordered the green screen and something else. I got paid $5. Okay, so you get a small percentage of whatever they order, but as you can see, this could grow really fast if you do a lot of orders. And this is why people actually have Amazon stores, so that they can promote an Amazon store, and then when people buy from there, they get a commission. But the coolest thing about this is when somebody buys off of your link, okay, or if they just click on your link, that link will set a cookie on their computer. So if they come back within 24 hours, if they haven't bought then, they come back within 24 hours and they buy anything off of Amazon, anything else, you'll get paid for that, okay? You'll get paid for anything they buy off of Amazon. So if they click on Amazon and they buy anything, or they buy multiple items, you get paid for all of those, okay? So I did make a quick $5, so I was like, okay, now I know it works. So now what I'm gonna do is actually probably build an Amazon store and then start doing that. So that's my small proof to show you guys that this does work, and I just did it. So I literally just made this account like a day and a half ago. So I know that's not much, but it works. As long as I see stuff works, and I know I'm gonna kill it. But so after you make your account, you go here to product, and then go to product links, and what you can do is search for any kind of products, and this is how you could build your store. But they do have an actual Amazon part where you can actually build your store. But if you know someone who's shopping on Amazon, or if they ask you like, hey, do you know where you can get this or that, you go here, like I did. I typed in green screen, and what happens is they'll pull up the products, and then they'll give you the links. See right here? Okay, so you can find the most expensive one if you want to, depending. The one I found was this one right here. So this is the one that I sent to him. It comes with a bunch of lights and all this good stuff. It's $119, and I'm not sure what the other thing was he ordered, but you just click get link, okay, and then from here you can grab the link. Well, let me show you how you can get a smaller link, because these are fairly big. So let me go back, because they'll give you a smaller link to where you can do that. So I'll just click this, and let's see if I can find it. Okay, here we go. So you would click, instead of clicking get link, click this arrow, okay, and then go to shorten link right here, and it'll shorten the link for you, and then you can send them this one, so you don't have to send them a long link, okay? And you can build a store around this stuff. Like if you just have a bunch of things that you want to do, you can do this, okay? So that's the first part that I want to show you guys. The second part is how to make money with Google AdSense. And you can make a lot of good money with Google AdSense, you guys. So one thing I would tell you guys to do is, like I've been talking to you guys about Wix. Wix is a free website, all right? This website right here that I'm showing you right now is not even out yet. It's kind of like, if you know about WorldStar, it's kind of a WorldStar type website that I'm making. But because I know people love this kind of stuff and people love video submissions and people love to be seen, what I'm doing is I'm creating a website designed around hip hop and R&B and all that good old stuff like this. And then I'm putting AdSense all through this website, okay? So as you can see right here, it's an ad right here, and then each page that you click on, I'll go here to just a couple of people's pages. Let's see, if I click this one, it'll go inside the page where the video is. Each page has an AdSense right there, has an AdSense right there, has another one right there, and another one at the bottom. Okay, so when people are clicking and watching stuff, I'll be getting paid, okay? And so this is free. You can do this for free. You can set up a, you know, let's say you wanted to build a viral a page where nothing but viral content, okay? You can do that. You can create a page where it's nothing but viral submissions. So if a lot of people, you know, are doing viral things online, you can just create a website full of viral content, grab videos from YouTube, a lot of viral stuff, put you a submission video, or however you want to do it. I just want to pique you guys' interest, so to show you what's possible with these kind of things. You can create a blog or something tailored towards something that a lot of people are talking about or they really love, that you could, you know, make a website or a training or anything about, and just throw a lot of AdSense in there, because when people get to clicking around and doing things like that, you'll be getting paid at Google AdSense money all day. So if you have a YouTube channel and you're not able to get AdSense right away, you can start doing this, okay? And then how you would do that is, once you make your Wix website that has tabs here, you would just click on add, right? Okay, and then you come down here to where it says more, and then you would find this toggle button here and scroll down, and then it will say AdSense somewhere in here, I believe. See if I can find. There it is, Google AdSense. So you would just click it, it will add it right here to your site. You can move it wherever you want to, you guys. So these are things that you can do. I always tell you guys, think outside the box. Think about things that you see people doing, you know, crazy stuff that you just see all the time, and you like, I could probably make money with that. That's how I think. Everything I see, like anything I see on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, I'm like, I wonder how I can make money from what they're doing or what people are talking about. You know what I mean? Solve people's problems, solve the problems, and make money. Okay, you guys, so hopefully that helped you. If it did, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell icon so you can come back for more videos. Also, I have training below this video if you guys need training. I do have some paid ones, and I do have a free one below this video as well. And then also, if you guys are wanting to join me in any of my programs that I'm in, I have those below this video as well, and you will get training and all that good stuff. But you guys stay tuned, continue to subscribe. I will be doing some cash giveaways here very soon, and you know, helping you guys make more money online throughout these next couple of days. So with that being said, hit the like button, subscribe, share this video. If it helps you, let me know, and I will see you guys on the next video.